Hello everyone, let's dive into the JideTech 2-port USB 2.0 VGA KVM switch. This little gadget is designed to let you control two computers with a single set of USB keyboard, mouse, and VGA monitor. It also throws in audio support for speakers and a microphone, which is a nice touch. The JideTech KVM switch boasts a maximum resolution of 2048 by 1536. It supports DDC and automatic identification, aiming to deliver a high-quality image. Setting up the JideTech switch is straightforward. It's plug-and-play, so no need for extra adapters. Plus, it includes USB hub ports, allowing you to share external hard drives, printers, and scanners between your computers. Compatibility-wise, the JideTech KVM switch supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 98 SE through Vista, Linux, and Mac OS. The chipset is designed to minimize common issues like computer crashes or frozen peripherals. Looking at the specs, it operates at 5 volts with a current rating of 0.98 amps. It uses USB 2.0 connectors and has a push-button switch type. The dimensions are compact at 1.96 by 3.15 by 3.15 inches, and it's made from polycarbonate.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.